Okay.
So
All right.
yeah, it should actually be as simple as doing, and actually almost the same in the same places. The code should be in the same places as for the bar.
Yeah, I think I have to
More or
change
less.
the animations all. Wah. See, because it's not matching as you can see.
Well, I mean, yeah.
Blank.
Um,
Oh, hold on. Blank, 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 blank. Bad shot. I'm gonna fix this though. I don't know if there's something getting in the way of it, but I guess you can quick shoot somebody.
wait.
You can
So
quick shoot them zero range. Oh, sorry. It's fun. It's just fun. All right, okay, let's see. Hold on. So let me go into
where is that
here.
animation?
It's bow. It's right here. It's in bow,
Oh,
and
awesome.
it's
Okay, so
close. Like
bow
what?
GLB.
Yeah. So what
I'm
happened
not
here is
sure
like I
actually.
cheated. See?
Okay, no, no,
Yeah.
no, no,
So I've
no,
got to
no.
actually
That looks
change all
awesome. That
this.
looks awesome. No, no.
That looks
Yeah,
awesome.
I wouldn't
Look at
change
this.
anything.
There's that. Really? Because there's a cheat. Look, it's gonna mess up.
I don't see it.
You don't see the mess
No,
up here? See, look at this. Look at how the animation's set up.
I'm not following.
Really? There's about a second, no, half a second load. And it pulls back. So it's good for up to this time, but I don't think it.
I'm not following. I'm not
Maybe I'm being
following what the
paranoid. Hold on.
problem is.
See, look at this. There's a close. Then it pulls
I didn't
back.
notice it. Just ignore it. Who cares?
Well, it's only a quarter a second.
Yeah.
It's only a, okay, fine, whatevs. Okay, all right.
I
We'll
mean,
say that's
I
good for
don't
now
see
then.
it
All
probably
right, okay.
because I am on Zoom. So
There might be internet delay. You know what? We'll just say it's good for now. Let's see if we can at
yeah,
least
you
get
can play with that
the
later.
frame 5 to line up.
Or,
Okay, all right.
or
So let me try
or
this.
you
Let's
can
see. We
set
got all this.
the seek to skip the first half second if you
Well,
do
now
the
here's a
right.
good question. Do I need 2 seeks?
Yes, you need 2 seeks
I need 2 seeks now, right?
because
Or no?
you are
I don't.
yes because you are setting up 2 different animations. So you need to
Well, now this is where this is ballsy because
you
look
need
at
two
current
play,
animation A.
you need 2 stops, and you
I got
need
it.
2 seeks.
Ooh. Ooh,
This just
okay.
won't
I'm
be
gonna get
A.
myself in
This will
trouble.
be call it.
Oh no, I
Let's
got it.
start.
Oh, yeah. I got it. Let me hold on. Yeah. Okay. I
Okay.
figured. I figured this out.
Call it
So.
var B, var bold.
Oh, you're ruining it. I had that. Never mind. Okay, fine.
Let's call it
Animation
bold.
player, money sign.
Man, this is fun. I hate it. I was scared of doing animations before I
Animation
did them
player.
with
Oh, it's
you.
right there. Look, it's right there. Blow. I don't know
Like
if
I
that's
was
good.
really
What
that
the heck is
scared
that?
of them.
Bow GLB. What is Bow GLB? Oh no, it worked. That's perfect. Okay, Bow GLB. Okay, yes. And then, okay. Are you ready for this? Okay, check this out. Okay. I don't know if
No,
it'll
no, no, no,
work
don't remove
exactly.
that line.
No, I don't
Don't
want to
remove
remove
that
it.
line.
I'm
Copy
not
it.
trying to remove the line. I'm trying to do something like this. I don't know if
Okay,
it'll work
okay.
though. Or B.
No, it won't.
Huh?
No, no, no.
Oh, come
No,
on. Why wouldn't that
maybe
work?
in another language. No, in another
Ah,
language,
that's
maybe.
terrible. So I have to double this up? I so don't want to double this up.
Yeah,
That's horrible.
you have to B
Oh,
dot
it's
seek
so.
it. It's not or though,
Oh,
it's
I'm not
and.
happy about that.
But there might be a language that supports a similar syntax, but I don't remember which one is it now.
I mean, it's
It is.
logical. That's my problem. I have the logic, but if it's not in the language, it's not going
It's
to make any
taking
sense.
shortcuts
All
that
right.
the languages don't support. We avoid that intentionally
Actually,
in programming when designing a language because
ooh, can I do
it can
this? Can
confuse
I do this?
serious
How about that? Yeah.
Sorry, what did you do?
Look at
Yes, you
me.
can,
I'm
and
filling.
then
I'm
you
filling
can,
all these and making these
yeah,
A's.
and then you can do.
Is that
We need a
horrible?
B dot play and a.
Yeah. I got it. B dot play. Well, I guess it should be alphabetical. B dot play. What the heck is this? Armature action. Oh, Is there fired? What's fired? Fire that. Okay, armor traction it is. Oh, had it ready. My bad. Armor traction. Enter. And then stop. B dot stop is then true. Okay. All right. I don't think it's the most elegant solution, but hey, if it works. All
Well, as long as
right,
you
let's
make
play this.
20 comments, I would accept it into the repo.
Oh, only 20. Okay. I thought you were saying 20 was bad. You should just be one.
No,
Oh, comments, not lines.
it's good enough to go
I don't.
into.
I feel it's broken.
I wouldn't.
It doesn't work though.
It does. What do you mean it doesn't move?
No, it
Yes, it
doesn't.
does.
I mean, the animation's broken though. It doesn't match. See, that's what I mean. Like the animation. See, it's stuck. It doesn't. So what I'm saying is that it'll have to go to a certain frame.
Well, because
like
we're
right now.
stopping and restarting it to 0, remember, it works. It's just you just need to fix the first.
Yeah, it's true. So maybe there needs to be a different behavior. So what I mean, so that's what I mean. Like, is there a way to get this? So if I,
So if you
how can I go
when
to
you
bow?
stop
Where's
it,
bow?
when you stop it,
We could seek it, right?
yeah.
Look, see, like.
So just stick it to
There's a
0.25 or
little double
0.5
snap.
when you stop it.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Like go to 0.5 to start. Oh, that would be great. Okay, all right. Okay, let's go.
Here.
Okay, so where would I? What is it? Seek
No, behind
or is
B
it
dot
set
stop.
frame? Is it getter?
Behind B dot
B
stop,
dot
we need another seek. Well, I mean below, you know.
Okay. Oh, below.
Yeah, B dot seek.
Okay.
B dot seek.
Seek. B dot seek. You know it's great. We have a mini thing here. We're talking about seek. I could redo it.
But then
Easy,
this needs to be up. Actually, if we do a seek here,
hold on.
This seek needs to be here.
Yeah.
So does that make sense?
Okay. It does make sense. I put that 05 there just so I didn't lose it.
Okay. So yeah, 0.5. Yeah, exactly.
Oh, what equals?
You need to no. It needs to be here before true.
Oh, with a comma?
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah. So that's kind of how seek works. Okay, so let's see if that will fix the animation. So
oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Nice. That's amazing. Oh, this is perfect. Cause like I can fix the rest of the animation. So all right, okay. I want to kind of quickly talk about the bow and like what's going on with it. So we moved it here. I can move it closer now. I have no problem with moving it closer. But the issue here is that I can't move the arrow. I can't move it right here. Does that make sense?
yeah. So just
Or
move
should
it
I?
to the I mean, maybe even closer.
What should I move it into the
there.
string now?
Well, if you want it to go up.
Without
actually,
doing it.
no,
So
you're
the only
right.
thing is I gotta make sure. Hold on. I gotta make sure
we
the
have a
bow
problem
itself.
No, we kind of have a problem because now this thing is based on the string action, right? It's supposed to move.
Yeah, so we'd have to see it.
No, do not move the bow if you did. So we just
I
aren't
already
supporting
controlled
at
Z.
the moment. So move it here somewhere. Move the
bow?
move the arrow. Yeah, move the arrow there, and nobody will notice that it's actually spawning.
Well, no. Hear me out. I already figured out how to do this. This is my thought. This is probably what'll end the video. I'll have a separate bow animation. Like I'll have an arrow here as part of an animation. And then when the arrow hits the point where the bow is supposed to spawn, it just disappears. It just goes invisible. Solved.
Yeah, that's
right?
maybe. Yeah,
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 that
yeah,
totally
yeah.
solves it.
There is another way to do it.
So it's like a moving part in a gun.
There is another way to
All
do
right,
it. You can
so
actually animate you can actually animate the muzzle, and then the muzzle can contain that fake arrow. Inside of it, we just show
oh,
the
that might even be
while the animation is
smarter.
running. While the animation is running, we do two things. One, we move this position back, and we show and hide the arrow inside of it. Right.
Okay. Right, right. That
So
totally makes sense.
that's
Okay.
that way
All
we
right.
can do it with 0 lines of code, I guess. Yeah. And
So
we
I
could
think this
still,
is a good mini video. I'm gonna press the end button.
yeah.
Thanks for anyone who's watched it. Search catchy phrase. I haven't said that in a while.